What's up, guys? My name is Eric Lee and you're watching 31 and Counting. And if you're new to this channel, what we like to do is unbox products to see if they're hot or if they're not. Today's going to be no different. Today we're going to be taking a look at soap. Yes, soap again by Herbal Nuance. Check it out. What's up, guys? So before I go any further, what I want to do is tell everybody thank you for helping me get to 3,000. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead right now and hit that thumb. It helps with the algorithm. And if you want to see future videos from me, go and hit the subscribe button. Help me get to 5,000 by the end of the year. So getting straight into the soap. Yes, today's another soap video. This is by Herbal Nuance. So they reached out to me on Instagram. If you want me to review your product, you can do the same. And they just said, hey, check out my soap, do a video, let people know what you think. So we're getting straight to the nitty gritty. They sent me 4 bars. This one's going to be citrus peel, which that smelled good. So I'm going to say between 1 and 10, it's a solid 8, 9. It's just a little mild on the scent. Okay, so then we have the eucalyptus. I hope I'm saying that right. I can't say words. You guys know it, but I love it. I don't care. Okay, so for the eucalyptus, which I just shoved into my face, I can say I don't really know what eucalyptus is supposed to smell like, but I'm gonna say this smells like soap. It's just a very mild soap, so there's nothing really crazy going on with it. The next one's gonna be this peppermint tea, which, you know, it's another one of those. Oh. I wish you could trade spots places with me right now. This one, 1 through 10, is going to be. This is going to be a 10. This is going to be a 10. It's a strong scent, very clean. Just smells like peppermint. I don't know what I said about eucalyptus. I'm going to say this is a 5 because it just. So now we have the Wildflower, which is a purple soap, which I've managed to already get dog hair on. Sorry, I have a German Shepherd. So this one, which is pretty purple. I don't like it. I don't like it. The scent is just, it's in there, but it's like one of those candles that you get, you know, the cheap ones that really don't have any scent. They're just maybe a mild scent, and they're just meant for, you know, having some smell when they get lit. I think this is what this is going to smell like. When it gets in the shower, it's going to be probably a stronger scent. Each one of them has something different on the back. This one says, for the peppermint tea, it's for exfoliating, so that's pretty solid. The citrus peel is, well, the citrus peel don't really say much on it because somehow the label got cut down, but let me see if I can find some key words. It says moisturizing. I hope that's enough for you guys. This purple one is supposed to control your cleanliness, which all soaps do, but it's also supposed to detoxify. So far, each one of the bars of soap has their own purpose. And the last one is going to be this eucalyptus, and it's supposed to help fight acne and inflammation. So I don't have acne and none of that stuff, but your boy loves that exfoliation. So I just came from the gym. I'm a little bit sweaty, a little stanky. Well, not that stinky. Come on, guys. You know, your boy smell good. But I'm a little dusty, a little busty. I'm not musty, and we're going to keep it that way by going to go take a shower. So I'm going to let you guys know what I think about this. It smells good already. All right, I'll hit you back when I get out the shower. No, you can't come with me. What's up, guys? So I just got out the shower. And I only used 1 bar of soap because I'm a sane individual. It'd be really weird if I used all the soaps at once. But I used the peppermint tea one, and like I thought, the scent came in a lot stronger once I got in the shower. I hope it lasts all day. Probably not going to. Most natural soaps don't really, you know, last for the whole day. But I know I'm going to get a lot of compliments when I go out and about. Another thing, it lathered up really good. Not great, not the best lather I ever had, but I do feel clean. My skin feels all glistening, look good, smell good, and I feel good. So for the whole bar of soap, you know, like 1 through 10, I'm gonna give it a solid 9, 8.5, 9. It's, you know, it's soap, it's natural soap. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. For the company, I think the thing that I would say the most is they didn't waste a lot of money on gimmicks. Like, you know, this is Pretty simple. But what I did notice when I did take it into the shower is that the logo is on the bar of soap. Here, let's see if I can show you on, well, not on this one. Here we go. So on the bars of soap, the logo is actually in there. Ain't that cool? I can't make out what the, okay, no, it says the whole name here, and right there is the logo. So, I mean, it just went the extra mile. I don't know if it makes any difference in how it scrubs on my skin. Doubt it. But appearances and stuff like that, I think it looks really cool. It's a little flavor, you know, it's that little salt bay at the end to really give it that touch. But this is a quick video overall for the product. I think I'm gonna give 9 out of 10. It's soap. You know, you can't mess it up unless they stinky. And these soaps were not stinky. A few of them could just use a little bit more of that whatever kind of scent, however you get the scent into the soap. You know, it was a little dull, but for the most part, they all smell great. Except the eucalyptus. It smelled like an old candle. So we're gonna drop it down to 8.5. All right, guys. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe. This is a pretty short video, pretty easy to make. You know, just doing what I do every day. Taking a shower. I crack myself up, guys. Don't pay me no mind. I'm Eric Lee. You're watching 31 Account. We out.